Welcome you all to this tutorial. I'm Sefe Simon in for Blender Designs. And today I'm going to take you through the fundamentals you have to know on Blender interface and the shortcuts in designing. This is Blender 3.0 Alpha, and it's a good version of Blender. It's not the latest, but a nice version, and it's on a computer which is 8 GB RAM, an i5. First of all, I'm going to be directing you everything I press. If you can follow up the lower right corner, everything I'll be clicking will be showing up so that you can follow up slowly and do some practice about what you're going to do. So first of all, you're going to learn different things on the interface. You're going to start with the simple things so that we can start up and know what to do. So this is a tube. By default, we are given a tube on our interface. A tube. This is a light or a lamp, and this is a camera. A tube, a light, and a camera. You can check out here in the description. You can see if you left click on the tube, they will show you here, like it will be highlighted, and if you left click on the light, it will be highlighted, and if you left click on the camera, it will be highlighted again. So we are going to first learn the fundamentals on how to start up with Blender. First of all, we are going to first learn the simple shortcuts. There are few terms we are using in Blender. For example, we have grab, we have extrude, we have rotate and scale. Since this is a 3D dimension thing, we have three axes. We have the y-axis, which is in the green line. You can see it here also. We have the x-axis, which is in the red line, and we also have the z-axis, which is going upwards. So the fundamental controls on the mouse, we have the middle rolling button, the mouse wheel. If you roll it, you use it to zoom in and zoom out, zoom in and zoom out. And then if you press it and rotate, it can enable you see in different dimensions, different sides if you want to do some editing on the other side. And then the left click is for selecting, the right click is for this panel, the option panel. So let's get started. We have seen what the mouse controls do, and then we are going to see the simple controls on the keyboard. So on the keyboard, we do have the grab option, and we use it. We use G to activate it. So if you press G, you can see that you can move your object around. And to cancel the action, you right click. So if you grab, you right click to cancel the action, and if you want to confirm the action, you left click. You left click to cancel the action, and then you right click to cancel. And as other softwares, to go back to undo, you press Ctrl Z, and then it will undo the thing. So if you want to move an object in different axes, like for example, if you want to move this object in the y-axis, you say grab D, then Y, then it will be moving in the y-axis, as you see. And then if you want to move this object in the x-axis, you press D and then X, then it will be moving in the x-axis. Likewise, if you want to grab it in the Z axis, you press G and Z. Remember we said if you just want to grab and move it anyhow, you just press G and it will be moving in any direction. Yeah, so that's all about the grab option. We also have the scale option, the scale, which is controlled using S. So if you press S, you can see that you can scale in and scale out, scale in and scale out. And likewise, you can also scale on different axes. On different axes, you can set scale Y. It will be scaling on the Y axis only. You can set scale Z, and it will be scaling on the Z axis. And you can set scale X. It will be scaling on the X axis. Yeah, so those are some of the fundamental controls in Blender. See you in the next tutorial. I'm Sefa Simon. Don't forget to subscribe. Give us a bell link. Love you all.